Okay, so this is the front of the drive shaft, which connects to the transmission. I believe only e30 convertibles have this. This is a vibration damper. This weird ring. If you notice, there's 6 bolts. There's 3 bolts connecting the drive shaft to the flex disc guibo. There's another 3 bolts connecting the flex disc guibo to the transmission flange. When you remove a drive shaft, you only have to remove the 3 bolts that connect the flex disc guibo to the transmission, okay? So you're going to put your 17mm wrench in between your brace and your transmission on this nut here. You're going to take your 17mm socket and your ratchet, and you're going to put it on the corresponding bolt, sticking through the flex disc guibo, through this vibration dampener here. And now you're going to be able to loosen this nut and bolt, like so. Okay, rotate it a little bit so that we can access these other 2 and do the same thing until they're all loose. Then we're going to move on to the rear for the differential bolts and the rear drive shaft bolts. Alright, so now we're at the rear end of the drive shaft. I would like to point out that the rear end of the drive shaft is considerably easier because you don't have a nut and a bolt. You only have this nut you have to remove. The bolts are a part of the drive shaft themselves. This is a vibration damper. This flex disc was about to explode.